Hey, what's up, guys? Bark874. Today, the Alaska transportation dude isn't here after after the Train Tales second season special Operation Turkey Day. Now, please come back because we can't do this without you, and I'm not such a good host. But we have somebody coming up here, and I'm gonna have to stop this pretty soon. But he's our president. He works here.
Does the lights come on?
Oh yeah. Oh, I could do it without the lights, but whatever. So you can see all the other trains from Operation Turkey Day. We might do another Christmas special, but it might he might have the choice because he's the one that's the boss. And over there is a cleaning train, which is used to clean the tracks. So it's pretty cool. So, turkey train's over there. Turkey train over there. Grandma Grandpa train over there. Potato train beside Grandma Grandpa. And my camera's frozen, so it's messed up. But, so yeah, guys, well, that's all for my video. Just like, subscribe, leave a comment below, and bye, guys.